Total station surveyors play a crucial role in various construction projects, and Ram Puri is one such highly skilled and experienced professional in this field. With his expertise in total station surveying, Ram Puri has successfully completed numerous projects, ensuring accurate measurements and precise data collection. Total station surveying is a technique that combines electronic distance measurement (EDM) and electronic theodolite to measure both horizontal and vertical angles. This technology has revolutionized the field of surveying, making it easier, faster, and more accurate. Ram Puri's expertise in total station surveying has made him a sought-after professional in the industry. He understands the importance of using state-of-the-art equipment and staying updated with the latest advancements in technology. Total stations are sophisticated devices that integrate various functions, including distance measurement, angle measurement, and data recording. They are equipped with electronic sensors and laser beams, enabling surveyors like Ram Puri to collect precise measurements without the need for manual calculations. In addition to his technical skills, Ram Puri also possesses excellent analytical and problem-solving abilities. Surveying requires meticulous attention to detail and the ability to interpret complex data accurately. Ram Puri has honed these skills over the years, allowing him to provide comprehensive and reliable survey reports to his clients. His dedication to delivering high-quality results has earned him a reputation for excellence in the industry. When it comes to SCON design, Ram Puri's expertise extends beyond total station surveying. SCON design involves the planning and implementation of lighting fixtures on walls or ceilings to create a desired ambience and aesthetic appeal. Ram Puri understands the importance of proper lighting design in both residential and commercial spaces. Ram Puri is one of several highly qualified and experienced total station surveyors that play a significant part in numerous construction projects. Ram Puri has successfully completed a number of projects using his total station surveying expertise, assuring exact measurements and data capture. Total station surveying is a method for measuring both horizontal and vertical angles by fusing electronic distance measurement (EDM) and an electronic theodolite. The area of surveying has been completely transformed by this technology, making it simpler, quicker, and more precise. Ram Puri is a sought-after expert in the field thanks to his knowledge of total station surveying. He is aware of the significance of working with cutting-edge tools and staying current with technological developments. Total stations are complex tools with built-in data logging, angle measuring, and distance measurement capabilities. Surveyors like Ram Puri can collect precise data using these devices since they are fitted with electronic sensors and laser beams, eliminating the need for manual calculations. Ram Puri is a technical expert, but he also has outstanding analytical and problem-solving capabilities. The ability to effectively evaluate complex data and pay close attention to detail are prerequisites for conducting surveys.